got this in today. It is our MOAB Auto Air from ezflate.
Whoa.
There you go. It already comes with the case right there. And it's all wrapped up in plastic. Just lifting it up. There you go. MOAB Auto Air. So this is the MOAB Auto Air right here. Has its own screen right here. And also has it written on top of the, what's this, air compressor machine. And then here is our original ezflate MOAB. So we're now just doing a side-by-side comparison. And I don't know if this one will count. This is our ezflate case right there. But there you go. It's about like the same size, except the screen. There's no screen here. And this one does have a screen right there. Also the writing. There we go. And then this one is just like that. Side-by-side comparison. I have this for over a year now.
Yeah.
So this is what it comes inside our new MOAB Auto Air. These are the instructions right here. And there's the box right there. So we also got this a few days ago. We got the new ezflate recoil right there. That's the case right there. And this is the new ezflate recoil right here. And it
still have the 4 points.
I know. Wow, this is new right here. Our old one is actually in our other car. So we're about to try this one too. So we got all 4 tires connected. We got it at 37.3. This is how it looks like right here. That's this side. And this side right here. It's showing too. 38, 38, 38, and 37. Right, so we got the timer on hand. We're about to air down at 37.3. Ready, set, go. We stopped it at 3 minutes and 46 seconds, 0.96 millisecond. And it's at down to 18.4, all 4 tires. We are now connecting our new MOAB Auto Air to the recoil. Okay, she said that was quick. Cool.
And then we open it.
We open it up or push it down. 19.6.
And then now we just need to connect it to the battery.
All right, so we're just connecting it now to the battery. We are now connecting it to the battery. It's on already. So it's saying it is 19.2 right here, 19.6. Oh. All right, so almost close.
Yeah.
Let's set it back up to 38 PSI. We're now reading the instructions. So after reading the instructions, we are now going to set our PSI. So we want to go up to 38.
38.
There you go.
It will blink 3 times. Now we go back to the current PSI right now. So now you will select which hose are you doing. You select
single or multi.
Yeah.
Whereas now, oh crap! There. That's it. Oh shoot.
So now you will set and forget.
Set and forget. So this machine goes on and off, right?
Check the PSI.
All right, so it goes off because it's checking the PSI. It just suddenly stopped and it went back on again. So we're now checking the time. We're now 2 minutes and 7 seconds. We're now here at 29.9. Oh, there, 30 already. There he goes. All right, it stopped. 38. Wow, 4 minutes and 29 seconds and 12 milliseconds.
I know.
Wow. Oh crap, this is faster by 2 minutes.
And it's like you set it and forget.
Set and forget.
You don't even need to go check.
Wow, this one's saying 37.8. Wow, this is really fast. This bag is empty right now, but it also comes with this for the single hose. And it also comes with this, the adapters. And we forgot to mention, this one does not have an on and off button at the back versus the other one. The other one has an on and off button. It has that one, that's the old version. This one, as you can see, you just program it. You set it, the desired PSI tire you want. And then it's either single or multi. So, which one would you prefer?
You know what? This is now really, really hard. But regardless of what line you go to, I think you're not going to regret it because
they're both good.
Yeah, they're all good
and reliable
yeah,
too.
The only thing is like, what's your preference?
Yeah.
Like, do you want something that's automatic, or do you want something that's
manual,
or do you want something that already has a case?
Yeah, and that looks cool in car shows.
So yeah.
All right. We're just here at In-N-Out and we got ourselves some regular fries, animal fries, and 2 double doubles. Woo, all right, let's do this.
So we have all 3 lines here.
Yep, we got the case. We got the original MOAB, and then we got the newest MOAB Auto Air right there.
Yeah.